Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 23 to 29, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, so i-promote ko lang tong Gemini bracelet. So, this is aligning the energies of Gemini. Meron tong Sodalite, Blue Lace, Agate, at Amazonite. So, ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Okay, so let's see Gemini. October 23 to 29. What's up? You have the Lovers. Page of Vessels. Oh. You have the 8 of Pentacles and the 10 of Vessels. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, you are in love. Yung may mga relationship dyan, no? I feel like you are building your future with your loved ones, no? Yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Some of you are newly married or bago pa lang kayo nagsasama together. And it seems na you are really working so hard for your family, for your dreams, no? Maraming pangarap dito. Yung iba naman, I'm seeing an admirer sa trabaho, sa workplace. Oo. And this person admires you kasi nakikita niya sa'yo yung wife or husband material. Alam mo yun? So, posible na merong mabuong romantic connection sa inyong workplace. Some of you naman, meron kayong papasukin na serious commitment pagdating sa career, sa business, sa trabaho nyo. This is something na gustong-gusto mo talagang gawin. Like, pwedeng childhood dream mo pa to. And it's happening because you're really working hard towards this. What is the Lovers? Father of Swords. I feel like when it comes to yung pakikipag-connect with others, mapili ka. Oo, maingat ka sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. Or you will get yourself involved into. Kumbaga, hindi ka basta-basta papasok sa isang relationship na hindi ka sigurado. Hindi ka papasok basta-basta sa isang business, trabaho, or career na hindi mo pinag-isipan. Okay? What is the Page of Vessels? The Star. Wow. Meron talaga kayong inaabot na pangarap. Oo. I also see someone here na hindi sang-ayon sa relationship mo. Pwedeng kumukontra. This can be a father figure. Someone who really cares about you. Pero, kaya lang siya medyo skeptical sa relationship na yan. Or sa decision mo na yan. It's because this person cares about you. Ayaw lang niya na magkamali ka. Ayaw lang niya na magkaroon ka ng problema in the future. So, it's more of a very caring energy pero hindi niya pinapakita na nagki-care siya sa'yo. Oo. So, may pagkaseryoso siya. So, you have the Star card here and the Page of Vessels. So, it seems na very decided ka or focus ka sa pag-achieve ng goals mo. And some of you are going to achieve your goals. Especially if this is related sa family mo. Halimbawa, may goals ka na yung family mo, madala mo sa ibang bansa, or ang tawag doon, mapetition mo sila, or yung iba naman, makabili ng bahay, makabili ng property. Oo. So, ito ay nagmamaterialize na. You have the 7 of Cups, 8 of Pentacles. So, meron kang mga meron kang mga trabaho na pinagsasabay-sabay. Oo. Multitasking. Pwedeng may mga mag-open up na opportunities for you. sa career, sa trabaho na pagsasabay-sabayin mo. Kaya lang, you have to make sure na kaya mong panindigan yon, or else baka lalo kang mahirapan. What is the Ten of Vessels? You have the Four of Cups. It seems na for the longest time, yung iba sa inyo, hindi kayo kontento or masaya or fulfilled sa home life situation ninyo. Pero ngayon, magkakaroon na siya ng improvement. Yung may mga pagbabago kang gagawin sa bahay, or yung iba lilipat totally ng bagong bahay, kung saan dun kayo mas magiging masaya, mas magiging komportable kayo. You have Venus in Capricorn in the 10th house. 10th house is about your career. O ito naman may bahay dito. So yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng lilipat kayo sa trabaho na malapit sa bahay nyo, or lilipat kayo ng bahay na malapit sa trabaho nyo. And some of you are really working or organizing your life. May mga inaayos kayo. Oh, you have the Sun in the 2nd house. Yes, yung iba sa inyo mayroong mga properties na mabibili. Oo. Kung kayo ay nagpaplano na bumili ng property, this is going to happen. As long as you are focused on that. Yung iba lupain sa probinsya. Transformative yung iba sa inyo pagdating sa finances ninyo, sa mga ari-arian ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo meron kayong madidiscover na talents and skills ninyo, na kung saan parang yan yung magiging magbubukas na pinto para sa inyo, na lalo nyong mapaunlad yung inyong buhay. Pleasure with a close friend. So, pwedeng meron kang mga activities na gagawin with your friends. Can be vacation, or you will meet new friends sa trabaho mo. Great personal sorrow. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga dinadamdam na pwedeng hindi nyo sinasabi sa iba. So, mas maganda nito na kung meron kang taong pinagkakatiwalaan, let it out. Tell that to that person. Pero kung hindi ka ganun ka-open, just have a good cry. Kasi makakatulong yun para mabawasan yung dinadala mo. Diba? At saka magbakasyon ka daw. Pwedeng magbabakasyon ka with your family or your friends. Great passion, yes. So, whatever you are passionate about, dyan ka mas magiging successful, dyan ka mas makakahanap ng happiness, ng fulfillment. So, that is something that you need to pursue. What you are passionate about. Invitation. The words you speak are our invitation to life, a request to bring energy into form. Choose your words carefully. Yes, Gemini. Choose your words carefully kasi, words are spells at yan yung ina-attract natin. So, always try to have these affirmations na makatulong para sa'yo na mas mapaunlad mo ang iyong sarili. Okay, so that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.